especially in classics. 1932 Ford Model 18 Roadster, rumble seat car. Of course, the Model 18. V8 powered underneath the hood, has that flatty. 32 would have been the first ever low-priced V8 aimed at mass marketing. Just $10 over what the four-cylinder was going to cost. $495. And this color combination, forest green and that pale green wheel, pale green highlights, of course the black fenders, and this one is all steel, folks, and it is as exquisite. Now check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Hard to do this one justice. It does have the brown vinyl interior, kind of a saddle covered top, as you can see in the back there. Also will come with that green soft car cover. It's going to all be included. I just wanted to take that off for some of the pictures and for this video so you get a true idea of how beautiful this car is. Like I said, Ford flathead V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with the 3-speed manual transmission. Great looking interior dash. All the upholstery in this car finished off very nicely. And best of all, it's stock. How many of these are left stock? Very popular for hot rodders, street rodders to modify these because they were such a beautiful car. And there's a lot of nice street rods out there, don't get me wrong, but to find a stock one that's like this, wow. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's originally a Nebraska car before going to Kansas, being part of a larger collection, restored extremely nice, and it still shows to this day. Blast to drive. This car starts right up. I've driven it a little bit. Just drives out beautifully considering how many years this car has been around. Let's check out this interior a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. So again, beautiful vinyl interior, finished off the way you'd expect from a high-end restoration. Any of the bright work on it also in nice shape. About the Ooga horn, of course, that works, gotta have that. Also has a factory optioned pivoting glass and rumble seat. And then of course this would be the deluxe model with the desirable cowl lights up here. How fun would this be for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, parades? Hey, what a fun one for a Sunday afternoon. All right, of course, ignition switch here. I have the key unlocked. Starter button is here. Choke it just a tad. There we go. Amp gauge does work. Responsive throttle is nice on this one. All right, make sure we're in neutral. Then you want to check out that dash a little closer. Oh, nice, that door shuts and fits. How many times do you see them nowhere near that nice at the bottom? Stick out a ways, and look at the reflection coming off that paint. It's all the way to the front door. Wow. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Sounds like you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, no crazy cam, anything like that. All right, let's pause this a second. I want to open up one of the sides of the hood here and give you an idea what it looks like underneath there. So let me pause this a second. At least let me get one side open. Check out that engine bay. What the heck, let's splurge. I open them both up just because you gotta see this. Look at that. Smooth running, sounds good. How nice that fits. Open them up at a show, throw that engine off, leave one down, put one up, take your choice. This one looks good. And judge for yourself. Look at the still pictures. Remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody else to come take a peek at this for you, feel free to. And one thing I'll finish up here at the end, we'll let you take a look at that top on there too. So give me a little bit. I'm going to put that top back on. We'll shut the hood up, turn her off, get that top on, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there we go, top up. First of all, check out how nice it fits above the windshield right there. Nice fit. Condition of it, as you can see, free of holes, rips, tears. Gonna serve the purpose if you need it up. Glass rear window. Fasteners all intact on the bottom. Passenger side also in good shape. Take a look at the front from this side. So top also as nice as the rest of the car. Stunning 1932 Ford Roadster, rumble seat even. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in.